guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig installation on myself. I'm going to be using this hair. It's from a company called Bellatique hair. It's 100% virgin Brazilian Remy. It is a lace front wig, so this should be exciting, you guys. Let's get into it. Okay guys, this is the wig outside of the box. It is a lace front wig. The scalp looks very realistic. It's very good quality hair. Like I said, it's 100% virgin Remy. Let's open it up and see on the inside. Okay, the wig has 2 combs, one right there and one on the other side. Also, it has 2 straps. The straps right here kind of tighten the wig right there. We're gonna go ahead and tighten it, or I can either sew my own strap there to hold it in place. But this is the inside of the wig. This is the wig cap. I'm thinking about sewing a strap from there to there, so we'll see how that works out. And then this right here shows the company's name, 100% virgin hair. And this is the wig. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. There it is. It looks really realistic. Let's see. Let's get into it. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using to lay my lace down. This is Extreme Firm Hold by Eben Wonder Lace. It is a lace adhesive, and of course you can't do nothing without your got to be glued, your got to be spray. This is the main ingredient, honey. Yes, it is, but this should be really good. I've used it before. Okay, let's prepare our wig for installation. Okay, right here I have my wig cap laid. I sometimes put it underneath my ears to hold it firmly in place, but this should be okay. Honey, I look like a straight up alien. Look at this shape of my head. You look so funny when you put on these wig caps. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of look at it and measure it and make sure everything is gonna look the way that I want it to look. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my got to be hairspray on there, get it really nice and wet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my blow dryer. Make sure I have it turned on. Okay, right here I'm drying it and getting it real tacky. So I am drying that got to be into the stocking cap so I can get it really, really tacky. It's starting to get tacky already. I can feel it. And then after I do this, I'm going to go ahead and spray another. I'm going to go ahead and spray it again so I can get it really, really, really tacky. What is going on right here? I'm trying to grab my comb or find my rat tail comb. I can't find it anyway. Let's go ahead and turn that off. And we're going to go ahead and spray another layer of the got to be spray in there. Okay. You can feel it getting tacky already. Okay, and now we're going to turn on that blow dryer again and dry it a little bit more. I'm not an expert at this, you guys. I just watch people, especially on television sets. I watch to see how they lay down their wigs. And I mean, I know how to do a ball cap. I was taught how to do a ball cap. So it's basically the same way, just using different products. But I'm trying to do it really fast. And it is getting tacky. I can feel it. It is pretty late in the evening, so I'm trying to get it set here and kind of playing around with this. It's been a while since I did this. Okay. It's looking pretty good, and it's getting really tacky. Okay. I'm going to turn off that hair dryer and spray another layer. spray another layer of this Got To Be, and we're going to dry it again. So in total, I sprayed a total of 3 layers of that Got To Be spray. And trust me, it is very tacky to the touch. Okay. Blow dryer is getting kind of hot. Okay, yep, it's feeling really good, feeling really tacky. Yep, so it'll hold that cap down. There we go. See? Ooh, that thing gets tacky quick. Feels like glue. I guess that's why they call it Got To Be glue. At least it's not Gorilla Glue. I still can't believe she used that stuff in her hair. Okay, we're gonna continue using a blow dryer and drying it a little bit more. Get it on that side. Got my scissors in my hand ready. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it's really starting off. I could really feel it, you guys. Put a little bit more on that side. There we go. Ooh. You can feel that thing. Okay. Now we're going to get it ready to cut it. Okay, right here I am getting ready to cut it. And like I said, you guys, I am not no expert in this. I just dibble and dabble in this every once in a while. So we're going to try to get this right. So I'm going ahead right now and I'm cutting my lace. Let me get some pins to push the hair back out of my face, if I can find it. You know, sometimes you just throw things in drawers and you don't pay attention to where things are. So we're going to go ahead and clip this hair back, and we're going to go ahead and cut this lace. I probably should have cut it with a razor. Probably would have been on point with that. But let's go ahead and make the best of what we have here. Okay. That's laying down right there. We're going to go ahead and cut this. Yeah, I probably should have used my razor and not pull on the lace so much. But let's go ahead and work with it the best way we know how. Okay, we're going to clean up around there. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just basically cleaning it up. Okay. Get little pieces of it off. Okay. All I know is how it looks good. It looks good to me after I'm finished with it. And the outcome always turns out to be great. I would never do this on anybody else but myself. Okay. So we're just cleaning up the lace. And I know there's a better way of cutting this, you guys, but I'm trying to work quickly and efficiently because it is very late. Okay, we're going to lay that down. We're going to cut this a little bit more right here in this part. Okay, we're going to eventually take that, kind of melt that into the skin, but let's go ahead and cut this on this side. Let me pin this back. And this is just how I lay my wigs down. If I want a more professional job, then I just go to my hairstylist and she'll do it for me. But since she doesn't have any appointments right now and she's booked up, I can do it myself, honey. Here we go. Okay, let's grab onto that and kind of cut that off. Okay. Okay. Just trying to get this a little even right there. We're going to go ahead and cut this part here. Okay, here we go. All right, we're going to go ahead and, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit more glue on that. Let me get this piece off right here on the side over here. Don't cut your ears off, Jackie, please. Do not cut your ears off. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah, I think we got it. And then I'll put a little bit more glue on that side and pin that sucker down. Okay, we got some glue on that comb. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more on that side. There we go. And pull it down. Hold it for a second. Put a little, turn on the blow dryer and give it a little heat. Press it in. Okay. Like I said, I know it could be a little bit more neater, but right now we're gonna clean up that lace in the front. We're gonna cut us some baby hairs and we're gonna comb over that. So let's kind of clean this up right here in the front along the hairline. Okay. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit too, right there. Just kind of cleaning it up a little bit, you guys. Put a little bit more glue right in that area. Okay. Let's take my comb and press it in. Okay. Make sure all these pieces are in. Make sure that lace is laid right there in the front. And we're gonna dry it. We're gonna dry it down. Press it in. And dry it down. Put a little got to be right there. Okay, right here, we're gonna lay that down. We're gonna lay that down. See, I'm putting this on my way. My way. This is Jackie's hair salon. This is how Jackie does stuff. All right, we're gonna fix that, you guys. Go ahead and comb it out. We're gonna fix that hairline. Don't get scared of the lace right there, because we're gonna fix that. All of that's gonna be looking cute. You're gonna be like, what you do, girl? It's gonna be looking real cute. We're gonna melt all that into the skin. Don't let it scare you. Probably saying, what in the world is she doing? Don't worry about it. It's gonna be all popping after a minute. You're gonna be like, what did you do? You did that quick, fast, and in a hurry. Okay, kind of seeing how I'm gonna cut me some little baby hairs. Just combing it out a little bit. I'm gonna fix that part right there. We're gonna put a little foundation on there. Okay guys, here we go. I got the front laid with my little band there, and right now we are putting some curls. We are curling it and getting it nice and flat. I told you it was coming together. You guys thought I was lying. Told you I'd be hooking some stuff up. This is the finished look, you guys. I told you that I would get that lace to melt into my skin. Please like, share, and subscribe the video, and press your post notification so that you will know whenever your girl drops a video. Hit that bell, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, and make it a great one.